Welcome. We're going to talk to you today about apprenticeships and how they can help you prepare for the future. We'll also explain how they work. Come on a journey with us.
Apprenticeships give you the unique opportunity to combine practical training in a job with study. As an apprentice, you'll work alongside experienced staff, learn new skills and earn a wage, all while working to gain a nationally recognised qualification. Science is not the only subject that has apprenticeship opportunities. Almost every sector is looking for apprentices with skills that match their business needs.
You can take part in many activities, gain independence and learn on the job. You will even be paid because you're in a working environment.
You won't be alone through all of this. Your employer will work with you to make sure you get tailored support.
Apprenticeships help you with your career progression as you gain work experience and work towards a recognised qualification. Level 2 is similar to 5 GCSEs, and you can even reach degree and master level.
Your timetable will include studying theory as well as gaining practical experience. As an apprentice, you'll experience life as an employee in the workplace, picking up lots of skills along the way. You'll be educated in your chosen field and language, and your experience will look great on your CV.
It doesn't matter what qualifications you have. There is an apprenticeship level to suit every individual. Everyone can follow their dreams. Apprenticeships are available to all ages and let you continue your studies while working in a sector you're passionate about.
Your colleagues will be experienced and successful in their field, so you can learn from them as well as from the training you'll receive.
Starting in the world of work can help you improve the chance of getting the job you want and help you develop appropriate skills. The experience will also help you to build confidence and become a more self-reliant person.
Start preparing for your future. With hard work, you can push your boundaries and reach your dreams for a better future. Start your journey today.
Apprenticeships, a genius decision.